In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we can make money on Fiverr without any skills and without any experience. This will be an easy and quick tutorial video for beginners who want to start making money on Fiverr but they don't have any experience or any skills. I will share with you guys an easy service that has almost no competition. You can start selling this service as a beginner and you can make a lot of money, okay? And anyway, let's get started. So first, you guys need to create a seller account on Fiverr. So if you don't have an account on Fiverr yet, just go to Google. Let me show you. Go to Google and search for Fiverr like this and click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr, as you can see. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Let me show you. Just scroll down and go to become a Fiverr freelancer. Okay, click on this one here. Go to for freelancers and click on become a Fiverr freelancer. Okay, you just need to follow a few steps and that's it. That's how you can create Fiverr seller account. Okay, so after you finish, this will be your home page, and now I will share with you an easy service that you guys can sell, and it's AI avatar. So let me show you. If we click over here on the search and we search for AI avatar like this, let me show you this service. It's super easy to make this one, and they will show you guys how you can make AI avatars just using an easy website for free. Okay, so this is AI avatar. Scroll down, search for AI avatar, and if you scroll down, you guys can see that the competition is very low. It's almost like just 900 people are providing this service on Fiverr, and it's already working. And this is the proof. Those numbers, for example, this one 270, those are the numbers of orders that this seller has completed. Okay, like this one here, and those sellers are new sellers like this one. You guys can see this one is new and it's already completed 25 orders. Okay, so people are already paying for this service. Okay, so to start making like those AI avatars, it's super easy. So what you will do next is you need to go to Google. So just go to Google and search for this website. Search for Virbo AI. Okay, search for this one and click on the first link over here. It's an AI those steps that I will show you right now. Okay, so this will be your home page. If you click over here on product, you have here, you guys can get started online. If you want, you can use this website online, or you guys can download this one for your Windows laptop, or you can download it to your mobile phone, and you can use also your mobile phone to create an AI avatars. Super easy and simple. Okay, so for me, I will just get started online, and this, so you just need to create your account using your email address, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Wondershare Verbo. Okay, so what you will do next, you should see here avatar video. If you scroll down, you have here different avatars, as you can see. And so for example, I'm gonna start with this one. Just click over here on create a video like this, and you can choose your aspect ratio. If you want to create this video portrait for Instagram, standard, and so on, I'm gonna choose Instagram, and they will click over here on create a video. So we just need to wait a few seconds, and here you go. You will be directly to this page here, and you have different tools that you can use to make this avatar super professional. Okay, so I will show you step by step how you can use all those tools. Super easy, don't worry about this. So this is my avatar. If you guys want to change this one, you guys just need to click over here on avatars. Okay, just click on avatars, and you guys can see you have different avatars that you can use. We have this one, we have this one here, and I'm gonna use this one. So just click on the avatar that you want to use, and your avatar will be over here. You guys can see. So you have also over here template. If you click on template, You guys can use different templates if you want. You guys can see you have templates for e-commerce templates, you have explainer video, you have advertisements, you have so much more. You guys can see super easy. If you want to change the background, for example this background, click over here on background and choose which background you want to use. For example, let's choose this one. I'm gonna choose this one. So just click on the background that you want to use and your background will be changed. Okay, you can see, super easy and simple. You have also here text. If you guys want to use a different style of text, you can choose it from here. You can see you have stickers. Okay, if you want to add some stickers to your avatar video here, you can choose it from here. And you have music. If you want to add some background music or any or your if you want to upload your own background music, you can click over here on upload, and that's it. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to make this avatar talking. You need to add your script. So how you can add your script, you just need to click here. You guys can see this bar here, this section that you can add your text. I'm gonna delete this text. So let's write something. For example, welcome to Think Smart YouTube. Welcome to Think Smart YouTube channel. Okay, I'm here to provide AI avatar service on Fiverr. Okay, let's skip using just this sentence. Okay, I'm gonna edit this. Like this. Okay, welcome to Think Smart YouTube channel. I'm here to provide AI avatar service for Fiverr, and here you go. You guys can also edit the script, edit the voiceover. Okay, if you want to change voiceover, just click here. Let me show you. It's super easy. Let me delete this. Just click here, and here you go. You have a different, let's click on all, and you have a different voiceovers that you can use. Also you have a different language. You have Arabic, Afrikaans, you have so many, a lot of languages that you can use. English, French, as you can see. Okay, you also have here gender. You can choose male or female, and you have this. You have so much tools here that you can so you can make and choose which voiceover you want to use. Okay, you have here a lot of different voiceovers. Let's check this one.
万星播报数字人，超低门槛，无需拍摄，轻松制作国际化。
You guys can see we have Chinese voiceover, English voiceover, French voiceover, and so much more. I'm gonna choose this one. So just click on the AI voiceover that you want to use, and that's it. So what I will do next, so I will just click here on play script. Let's check. So you just need to wait a few seconds for your script to be recorded, and then I will show you guys how you can upload this video to your laptop. Okay, yeah, we can save and export.
Welcome to Think Smart YouTube channel. I'm here to provide AI avatar service on Fiverr.
And here you go, your script will be recorded. So you guys can also click over here and you can edit the speed of your voiceover, pitch or volume of your voiceover. Okay, you can control those change from here. Okay, super easy and simple. And after you finish to make this AI avatar talking and make it like a human, you guys just need to click over here on export. Click on export, and you just need to wait a few minutes for your video to be recorded. Okay, and your video is exporting, so you just need to wait. And here you go, your video is done. So let's check the video, guys. Let's check, let's see if the video is really good or not. Let me show you.
Welcome to Ding Smart YouTube channel. I'm here to provide a avatar service on Fiverr. Welcome to Ding Smart YouTube channel. I'm here to provide a avatar service on Fiverr. Welcome to.
And as you can see, guys, this is really amazing and it's super easy to make. Like, we just made an AI avatar talking just using this amazing Wondershare Virbo AI avatars generator by Filmora. Super easy. Okay, you guys can start selling this service on Fiverr like those sellers here. If you just need to give it just a few practice, you make one today and you make one tomorrow, you stay consistent, you will make an amazing AI avatars videos, and you can start providing this as a service on Fiverr and start making money, because the competition in this service is very low. It's almost no competition, like 900 people all just providing the service. It's almost, it's very low, and you should know that Fiverr has, I think, like, you guys can see 46 million monthly visitors and millions of people every single month visiting Fiverr to buy services. And if you start selling the services from today, if you set up your seller account and you start providing this service, you guys can really make some good money. And you can start with this one as beginner if you don't have any skills or any experience, just by using Wondershare Verbo AI avatar generator for free. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.